Flowmaster, the performance technology leader, is proud to introduce our new Delta Force performance air intake system for the 2015 to 2018 Ford Focus ST with a 2.0-liter engine. The Delta Force performance air intake system contains an ultra-trick-looking, custom-molded cross-linked polyethylene high-flow intake tube, black anodized aluminum fittings, high-flow reinforced silicone couplers, and all stainless steel hardware. Other features include a large diameter high-flow 8-layer cotton gauze air filter, which traps more dust and dirt particles in your typical 6-layer design, and a custom black powder-coated air dam with brackets securely mounting the system in place of the factory air box. The Delta Force air filters come pre-oiled and are serviceable with our new Delta Force cleaning kits, which will help your filter outlast your vehicle. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for an easy at-home installation and are backed up by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.